So even with everything going right, there may not be any weather difficulties, there may not be any geographical barriers, there may not be any pirates, but the ship may be defective. And the ship is defective, then the engine may be defective, there may be some hole somewhere, and the ship will drown. So an example is in 2009, an Indian ship, Suryaveer, it was in the US oceans, and then the engine failed and it started drowning, and the people were rescued, the 28 people were rescued. But it shows that there can be, the ship itself may be defective. So in this age of Kali, with everything else may be going right, we may be the association of devotees, but there can be defects in our practice of bhakti. There can be, offenses which may be like the holes, or the defects in our engine of bhakti which may cause our ship to drown. So having seen this dangerous ocean, understanding that how difficult, there are so many hazards, so many challenges, how can we cross over this ocean? The question arises. So the Bhagavatam says what the kind of boats people are using. People are using stone boats to cross ocean. Indra says in the 6th canto that if one thinks that the misguided leaders, they misguide ignorant people, and they themselves drown, and they drown the people. They use a stone boat. So Prabhupada writes in the purport, if the society is guided by political diplomacy, it will certainly sink like a stone boat. Political maneuvering and diplomacy will not save human society. People must take to Krishna consciousness to understand the aim of life, to understand God, and to fulfill the human mission. So these stone boats are compared to the socio-political solutions which we may come up, capitalism, communism, to solve the problems. But they are not going to solve the problems. They are like a stone boat. They will sink the person. And then there could be paper boats. We may use paper boats, but it just appears like a boat, but it cannot even sail in a pond, what to speak of an ocean. So like pseudo-spiritual practices which are being very much body yoga and other things, yoga just for your body, gymnastics. So that is like a paper boat. Naam yoga hai, looks like a boat, but it's going to sink. Or one may use a tail of a dog. Bhagavatam, again Indra, in that section, Swalangulena atitarati sindhum. So he says that if we take shelter of anything else, we will be defeated by Vritrasura. We have to take shelter of the Supreme Lord. So if one takes shelter of any other process, it's like holding on to a tail of a dog, and the dog can swim on its own, but it cannot take you, and it cannot cross an ocean, first of all. So like that. So the only solution is that we need the ocean liner of devotional service, which can take us through this ocean of Kali. And the thing is, there should not be any defects or any holes in our practice. There should not be any offenses. Then this ocean liner of bhakti can take us across.